Setting up a limited company? We'll get you there in less than 5 minutes. All you have to do is answer a few questions about your business, its directors, shareholders, and share capital, and when you're done, we'll submit your request. Here's how it works. You can check if your desired company name is available, and see a list of companies with similar names in case there are any that are too close for comfort. Select your industry, and the platform will automatically generate an SIC code for you. Tell us which part of the UK your company is based in, and your official business address. Choose which articles of association you'd like to adopt. Model articles are the default version offered for free by Companies House. Custom articles are, well, custom. You might be using these if you're part of an accelerator, for example. Make sure you have these ready to upload. Or you can adopt our best-in-class vested articles, which include leaver clauses, drag and tag provisions, and conditional growth shares so that you can set up that all-important co-founder prenup. Next, tell us how many shares you want to incorporate with. People typically choose 1 million, but you can choose another amount. If you're using custom articles, you'll need to enter the nominal value. With model articles, you can stick with the suggested value or set your own. But with vested articles, this will be set automatically. Next, add your directors and shareholder information. Then, it's just a case of paying the registration fee. Review your summary, and if you're happy, it's time to submit. Then we'll ask you to upload ID documents for your company directors. Then, just wait for the thumbs up from Companies House. And voila! You are now a limited company.